Hi, welcome to this video about industrial and entrepreneurial solutions. My name's Ricardo Rosadoni. I'm Head of Digital Technologies here at St. John's Grammar School, and this is going to be a little bit about what this subject is about and what the options are in Year 10, Year 11 and Year 12. So I'll start with a bit of a course pathway. Industrial entrepreneurial solutions follows on from systems and computer-aided design and technology subjects that have been engaged with in middle school. In Year 10, the subject is branded as Energy Systems and CAD, where students learn a little bit about alternative energies, robotics, internal combustion engines and electronics, and the computer-aided design feeds into each of those topics. Students have opportunities to design and 3D print elements of solutions, integrated solutions to their products that they create there. And in stage 1, it's a designated subject to computer-aided design leveraging Autodesk products in both Revit, Inventor and 3ds Max to develop and print products that solve needs. And moves on to stage 2, follows into stage 2, where students are involved in a range of skills tasks, create a folio, which is a design folio, which helps guide the development of some pretty awesome products, which I'm going to show you shortly, and then they evaluate that. So why should students study this subject? Well, any students who enjoy designing, making, learning how things work, they're really going to enjoy this subject's content. There is, especially at stage 1, stage 2, it's very much a computer-based subject, and they develop skills in using computer-aided design programs, industry standard programs, and project management skills are applied to arrive at some pretty polished final products ready for testing. And we actually do some testing and get some feedback from our target audiences. This subject provides a great platform of knowledge for those interested in further study or careers in engineering, any design field, any manufacturing field. This is a great subject for those interested in those areas. There's no exams in these subjects. Instead, the externally assessed component at stage 2 is the investigation-based work that they do. And to facilitate deeper learning, we use project-based tasks that are often extended over many weeks in years 10, 11 and 12. So a little bit more about each course. At Year 10, the subject is Technology, Energy Systems and CAD. It's a semester course that students can choose. It's computer-aided design, like I said, is integrated into alternative energies and electronics and internal combustion engines. Those skills are developed, the actual projects are used to help develop the skills in computer-aided design. And soon, hopefully, we'll have other capabilities to help create products such as laser cutters and CNC routers, and we're in the process of that currently, working on a new hub in the school to help develop these products to an even higher level. At stage 1, in order to study industrial entrepreneurial solutions, students really should have some experience with computer-aided design, either here at school or elsewhere. It's great if they've actually completed the Year 10 Energy Systems CAD subject. There's a real focus on skill development in both mechanical and architectural design here. Students create a children's toy. I'll show you a quick example of a children's toy. This one's a puzzle, and so they create children's toys really aimed at junior school level students. We go down and we create these products, 3D print them, and we go down and do product testing with our target audience. get some feedback from the students to help develop our product even further. There's a whole range of products that are created in that space, and that's really engaging. It's a fantastic assignment that our students get engaged in. And then based on a needs analysis, they create a future focus school building as well. So something for on our site here at St. John's, such as the Performing Arts Centre, which a number of years ago students were designing, new chapel, new library, new spaces, and they really are to go through the process of researching and developing these products. So they've had a go at stage 1 at both mechanical design and architectural design. At stage 2, if they've successfully completed the stage 1 course, then they can go ahead and do a 20 credit full year subject at stage 2. There's a range of practical skills before they really get into creating their own product. I've got a couple more examples I can show you. This is one example of an arts complex that a previous student has created here, and we're looking at the design of the space, as well as the building and lighting and interiors and whatnot. So this is a fairly significant body of work that the students undertake. It doesn't have to be architectural design. Certainly the mechanical design is an option as well. That's not the one I was going to show you. This student has created a mag wheel for that car that you just saw there. He actually owned the car, the Lancer or whatever it was, and he created wheels. And certainly we've had students in the past take these designs and get them printed. We don't have the metal printing facility here at school, but there certainly is that facility in Adelaide. And I've had students actually go ahead and print products and use them for their particular solutions as well. So it's pretty exciting to be able to go through that process from where to go to coming up with a concept or recognizing a need, developing a solution, creating the solution, and actually implementing it and evaluating it. So that's a little bit about the subjects at Year 10, Year 11 and Year 12 in Industrial and Entrepreneurial Solutions. Hopefully you found that informative. And if you want any more information, please get a hold of me, Riccardo Rosadoni, here at St. John's. Thank you very much.